In this video, we're learning two powerful Excel dynamic array functions, unique and sort. I'm using a European travel dataset where multiple travelers have visited different countries and cities, and there are duplicates in the data. First, I want to see which unique countries people have visited. I select the country column and use the unique function. Notice something strange. A 0 appears at the bottom of the results. This happens because I selected the entire column. Excel scans all rows, including blank ones, and sometimes treats blanks like 0. So instead, I select only the cells that actually contain data. Now I get a clean list of countries with no extra value. Next, unique isn't limited to one column. I select both the country and city columns together. Now Excel returns unique combinations of country and city. Even if a country repeats, a new city makes it a different unique record. To show how dynamic arrays work, I add a new row with Italy and the city Naples, which wasn't in the data before. Instantly, the unique results update and show this new combination. No refresh needed. Now let's make the list organized. I combine sort with unique. Excel first removes duplicates, then arranges the results alphabetically. The unique function is used to remove duplicates from data, while sort is used to organize data in ascending or descending order. When combined, they create automatic, clean, and organized lists that update whenever the data changes. That's the power of modern Excel. Fewer manual steps, more automation.